There are times when you are replenishing the petty cash box that you may have to use what's called the cash short or over account title. And this happens if you're missing, aka short, cash, or you have extra, aka over cash, in your petty cash box. And typically this occurs when there's not exact change to give out from the cash box. So let's pretend that on August 31st, we were going to refund or replenish the petty cash fund, and we do that with exactly $34. Now this $34 is supposed to cover what we spent on a miscellaneous expense of $25.99 and an advertising expense of $7.88. If I go and I take $25.99 and I add in $7.88, I only technically need to replenish the petty cash fund with $33.87. But maybe I'm not carrying around 87 cents, and so instead I just put a complete $34. We need to journalize the remaining extra money that got put into the petty cash box. So we're going to start with our date on the journal. So we'll dump in August 31st, and then we can put in our check number 12 for our document number. And because we are paying cash and the total amount we're paying cash to replenish is $34, we're going to put that in the credit column because
an asset decreasing is a credit.
And now we need our corresponding debits to equal that $34. And so our first debit was this miscellaneous expense of $25.99. And our second debit was the advertising expense of $7.88. And again, if we went and we added the $25.99 plus $7.88, this debit column is $33.87. That does not equal $34. And so we have not
Balance all of your transactions.
So technically, if I take $33.87 and I subtract $34, that means I am missing 13 cents. So I'm going to drop in the cash short or over account title, and I'm going to put 13 cents there. And now if I add up all of the numbers in the debit column, they equal 34, and our credit equals 34.